Practice time. Gracie needs money to buy a net. Jassy and her sister want to buy a log boat. So they take a loan from their bank. They will return it with interest. It means some people want, there is a girl named Gracie, she wants to buy a net, and there are two girls, Jassy and her sister, they want to buy a log boat. So they are taking loan from a bank and they will return it with interest. Gracie took a loan of 4,000 rupees to buy a net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. How much did she pay back to the bank? See, again we will do cross multiplication. Wait, no need of cross multiplication. Per month she is paying 345 PM. I am writing, it means per month, and for 12 months she is paying the same amount. So what we have to do is 345 multiply by 12. 5 2s will be 10, 0 down, 1 carry over. 4 2s 8 plus 1 9. 3 2s will be 6. Now over here we will write 0. 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4, and 3 1s are 3, plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. 9 plus 5 gives 14. So 4 down and 1 carry. 6 plus 4 10, plus 1 11. So 1 down and 1 carry, and 3 plus 1 will be 4. She took loan of 4,000 rupees while she paid back 4,140, 140 rupees being the interest. Now next one. Jassy and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a log boat. They paid back a total of 23,520 in 1 year. How much did they pay back every month? So what we have to do? We have to do division. They took a loan of 21,000. They paid in total 23,550. This is the amount paid off in 1 year. It means in 12 months. We have to find out what is the amount paid in 1 month. So for that we will do 23,520 divided by 12. So we will do division. 23,520 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So we will write 1, 12 ones are 12. 3 minus 2 gives 1, and 2 minus 1 gives 1. 11, which cannot be divided by 12. So we will take 5 over here. Now we have 115. 115 will not come in table of 12. So we will write 12 nines are 108. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 5. So 5 cut 15, 1 cut 0. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 gives us 7. So over here we will write 7. 0 minus 0, 0, and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So 0, 0, 7. Now we will take 2 downward. Now 72 comes in the table of 2. 9, 12, 6 are 72. Now 72 minus 72, 0, 0, and we will take this 4 downward. So we have 0. But this 0 cannot be divided further. So we will write over here 0. So 1960 rupees amount is paid per month. So in 12 months she pays back 23,520 rupees. In 1 month she paid 1960 rupees. Next one, Why don't we start a new fish drying factory? The women of Minker Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. Panchayat has given them some land for that. Over the years, they have saved rupees 74,000. They find out how much they will need for the factory. Fazila writes the things they need to buy to begin. See the table for the cost of each item and the number of items they want to buy. Find the total cost. There are certain things that this woman want to buy. Price of each item is written over here and number of items is also written over here. So we have to write cost. For writing down cost, we have to do multiply. We have to multiply 3000 with 1. So 3000 into 1 gives 3000. So over here we will write 3000 rupees. Next is bamboo rack for fish drying. Price of each bamboo rack is 2000 rupees and we need 20 such bamboo racks. So we will multiply 2000 with 20. 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0. 2 into 0 also 0. Now 1 0 over here. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 twos will be 4. So 0 plus 0, 0, over here 0, 0, 0 and 4. 40,000 will be the answer. It means price for buying bamboo rack fish drying will be 40,000. So over here we will write 40,000. Next is cement tank. Price of one cement tank is 1000. So 4 cement tank will be 1000 into 4, which will be 4000. Next is tray and knife. Price of each tray and knife will be 300 and we need 20 such items. So we have to multiply 300 with 20. 0 zeros are 0, 0 into 0, 0, 3 zeros are 0, over here 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0 and 3 twos are 6. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 and over here we will get 6,000 rupees. So price of tray and knife will be 6,000 rupees. Next is bucket. Price of each bucket is 75 and we need 20 such buckets. So 75 multiply by 20. 5 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0. Over here we will write 0. 5 twos are 10, 0 down, 1 carry. 7 twos are 14 plus 1, 15. Now we will add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5 and 1 plus 0, 1. So answer will be 1500. So we will write 1500 over here. This will be the answer. Total cost to set up the factory. It means we have to add all these numbers. So first one is 3000. Plus 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000 and plus 1,500. See, at last place, at unit place, we have all zeros. So we will write 0. Next is also 0. So we will write 0. At third place, we have 1, 5. So we will write 5. Now at next we have 3 plus 4, which gives 7. 7 plus 6 will be 13 and 13 plus 1 will be 14. So 4 down and 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Total cost will be 54,500 rupees, which we will write over here. 54,500 rupees. Next is, when fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish. How much dried fish will they get in month? For this, what we will do? We will write 6,000. This is total weight and it becomes 1/3. So we will divide it by 3. Again, as I taught you, don't take into consideration these 3 zeros. 6 comes in the table of 3 at 2. So we will write 3 2s are 6 and these 3 zeros will remain as it is. So answer will be 2,000. How much dried fish will they get in month? So answer will be 2,000 kg. Again I am dividing with old method, that is 6,000 divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 will be 0. 0 down, 0 up. 0 down, 0 up. 0 down and 0 up. So answer will be 2,000 kg. Next is Flora. Let us calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. We buy fresh fish of rupees 15 per kg. We sell dried fish for rupees 70 per kg. In that A, we dry 6 kg fresh fish to get dash kg dry fish. See, as we have studied earlier that fresh fish is 1 kg, then dried fish will be 1/3 kg. So first one is, we dry 6 kg fresh fish to get dash kg dry fish. It means 6 divided by 3, which gives 2. 3 2s will be 6. So answer will be 2 kg. Next one is B. For 6 kg fresh fish, we have to pay 6 into dash. See, price of per kg fresh fish is 15 rupees. And if we are buying 6 kg fresh fish, so we have to multiply 15 into 6, which gives us 90 rupees. So answer will be 15. Next one, we will sell 2 kg dried fish and get 2 into dash rupees. Selling price of dried fish is 70 rupees per kg. So if we are selling 2 kg, this will be 2 into 70, which gives us 140 rupees. 7 2s will be 14 and 0 will remain as it is. You can also do it like this. 7 2s, 2 zeros are 0 and 7 2s are 14. So answer will be 140 rupees. Now D. So if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we will earn dash minus 90 is equal to dash rupees. See, selling price of 2 kg dried fish is 140 and minus 90 is equal to, so 140 minus 90, 0 minus 0 0, and 4, we cannot subtract 9 from 4, so 4 cut 14, 1 cut 0. 14 minus 9 gives us 50 rupees, so answer will be 50. Next one, but if we dry 6,000 kg, we can earn rupees dash into 1,000 1 month. See, this is the price of 6 kg. So for 6,000 kg, we have to multiply this with 1,000. So 50 into 1,000. 1,000 multiplied by 50. 0 into 0 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 into 0 0 and 1 into 0 0. Now over here we will write 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0 and 5 ones are 5. So we will get 0 0 0 0 and 5. It means 50,000 as answer. 50,000 rupees in 1 month will be the answer. Now next one. Jhansi, I found that 6,000 kg fish we would need 1500 kg salt every month. Its price is rupees 2 per kg. So we need to find out monthly cost of salt, which is 1500 into 2. So 1500 multiply by 2 is equal to 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, 0 down 1 carry, 2 ones are 2 plus 3. It means we will need salt of rupees 3000 per month. Now packing and bus charges are rupees 3000. So the total monthly cost of drying and selling fish is equal to dash rupees. For this, what we will do is, see over here we have Faisalah. That sounds very good. Our calculations tells us that every month our bank will earn rupees 44,000 rupees. Check to see if you also got the same answer. This is the price of salt. Total packing and bus charges are 3000. So we have to add 3000. 3000 plus 3000 gives us 6,000. So 6,000 rupees will be the answer, and earning is equal to 50,000 minus 6,000. Earning we have found earlier in question number 2, which is 50,000, and these are the expenses that we have to bear. So what will be our profit? For that we have to do subtraction. 50,000 minus 6,000. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. We cannot subtract 6 from 0. So 0 cut 10 and 5 cut 4. 10 minus 6 will be 4 and 4 minus 0 will be 4. So answer will be 44,000. Over here there is 1. No need to write this. Answer will be 44,000.